The quickest, easiest and most delicious paneer recipe for vegetarians. Just put some ghee, little bit of jeera and add chopped onions. And here I have green chili and chopped tomatoes, and I have this paneer cubes which I will crumble. So firstly I add some ghee, added cumin and added the onion until it turns a little bit brown. Now I have added the chopped tomatoes. I love this sound. Now I'll cook these tomatoes until it gets completely mushy and becomes like a gravy. Till the tomatoes get mushy, I will crumble these paneer cubes into like this, softly and nicely. You can take any frozen cottage cheese or fresh if you can get. I'll just crumble them all. Time to add the spices. This is my masala tippa. I'll add salt, little bit turmeric. Turmeric have a lot of good health benefits and it is widely used in Indian curries and cooking. Then I used bhuna jeera and coriander powder. And then I'll mix it all nicely. You can see the tomatoes are getting mushy, they're getting soft. I'm loving the fragrance of this food. It's very delicious. Even you can make sandwiches of it as well, or you can have it with chapati. Just making the tomatoes get mushy. You can see the tomatoes are mushy now. Now I'll add the crumbled cottage cheese in this and mix it well. It's almost done. Just cooking the paneer so that it doesn't feel like raw. I'll just cook it for about 2 minutes and the dish will be ready. The paneer has left the oil, that means it is completely cooked and ready to be served. At the end, garnishing it with fresh coriander. It tastes nice and coriander also have a lot of health benefits. So my paneer bhurji is ready to be served. Guys, you must try and let me know, do you like it or not?